Turn on the light.
Look! Whoa! What is that? Whoa! Whoa! What's that? Max? What is that? Max?
Max, look.
Max?
What is that, Max?
You forgot to say something?
What?
Whoa! Whose car is that? Huh? Max? Whose car pop over there?
Whoa. Whoa, Max, look.
That's my seat.
That's your seat? Whoa.
Look, sit down.
Sit.
Smile at Papa. Smile at Papa.
Max.
Max, open the garage.
Whoa.
Open the windows to the car or something. Wait, sit down. Max. Max, look. Max, look. Wow. Wow. Look, you can back up and eat.
You want to turn it on?
You don't have to drive?
No, I haven't put the battery in.
Oh.
The battery you have to start, you have to charge for 18 hours. But we just started last night. Not yet, Max. The battery is charging. Look, the battery over there.
That's it.
You know
Beep.
Okay, wait.
Oh, go forward. You have to steer.
Max, look. Wait. Wait.
Beep, beep. Here comes Max.
Hey, you need to steer.
Steer this way. The wheel in the back is not moving because the battery is on.
Max, say hi, Mommy and Daddy, and wave.
Say hi. Say
Wait.
hi.
Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say thank you, Santa.
Say thank you, Santa Claus. Hey,
Sanchez.
say thank you, Santa
Say
Claus.
thank you,
Thank
Santa
you,
Claus.
pieces.